Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Surface Oncology. Now if you are looking at this stock has started taking support and it has been moving on the upside. So what we can do here is, with a strict stop loss of $5.6, we can actually go and search for an upswing if it is there in the upcoming weeks and months. So what we have here, this is only about a momentum, and specifically in this case, if the stock successfully sustain above 5.65, which is your stop loss, in that case the target or the levels that we are going to look at will be in between 32.9 and you have $47. So 32 and $47 in the upcoming weeks and months. So this is what we can see as far as the swing is concerned. Let's see how the price will perform and we will going to reanalyze it again. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.